What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I'm back with my #1 favorite hair company, which is Unice, whatever y'all want to call it. I'm back with Unice Amazon. Unice Amazon has been really showing out, and I love it. First things first, y'all. This wig I did not pluck. I'm going to insert a picture right here, whichever side, of this wig straight out the box right before I bleached it too. Because I really didn't have to bleach it. But I still went ahead and bleached it so I can get this, melted look. Y'all, I did not pluck this wig at all. At all. At all. I love this hair, y'all. I was sent a 24-inch highlighted 13x4 frontal wig. It's giving kind of 13x6. Like, this part is real long, y'all. And I got body wave. I went ahead and threw some wand curls in it, of course, to give it back its wave. And y'all, I love it. This go around, I didn't really feel like putting layers in the hair. I wanted that long, curl look. And I love it, y'all. I love this. And of course, y'all, I did no baby hair. I wanted a clean look for this, and it's giving grown. Like, I really love it. That no baby hair look is really starting to be my thing. But yeah, y'all see this wig. This wig is everything. The curls is fire. I don't know, something about this look is just different. I don't know what it is, but it's making me look different. No matter how many times I did this wig, y'all, something about this look is different, and I just can't put my finger on it. But y'all, you guys already know I highly recommend Unice hair. The link will be down below to the same exact wig. If you're interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Also, all the products I use in this video will also be listed down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Head over to Unice, grab your highlighted wig, grab you any type of wig. Y'all just know it's gonna come pre-plucked. Like, the pre-plucking game with Unice is getting good. Like, this joint is getting way better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll show you guys in another video. Bye.